Ever wonder why some websites just pop up on Google while others are lost in the digital abyss? It's not magic, it's SEO, search engine optimization, and it's more important than you think. Imagine having a beautiful store, but it's hidden down a dark alley. No one can find it, right? Your website is that store. Without SEO, it's invisible to potential customers. SEO helps search engines understand what your website is about, so they can show it to the right people. It's about making your site friendly for both users and search engines. Think about keywords. What would your customers type into Google to find you? Optimizing your content with these keywords is crucial for visibility. But it's not just keywords. It's also about a great user experience. Fast loading times, mobile responsiveness, and easy navigation all contribute to better SEO. And let's not forget about backlinks. When other reputable sites link to yours, it's like a vote of confidence. These votes tell search engines that your site is valuable and trustworthy. Ignoring SEO means missing out on organic traffic, which is essentially free advertising. In today's digital world, a strong online presence is non-negotiable. SEO is the key to unlocking it. Invest in SEO and watch your website climb the ranks, bringing more visitors and more success to your business.